Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do an extra problem that I haven't done before. So let's do an RNG one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comments. Let me know what you think about this problem and everything in between. Come to me on Discord if you like. Today's problem is 379, design phone directory. A problem with many negative downloads or whatever. Negative downloads are probably an upload, but no double negatives. But yeah, design a phone directory that initially has max number of empty slots that can store numbers. The directory should store numbers, check if a certain slot is empty or not, and empty a given slot. Okay. What does that mean? Oh, get prior to a number that's not assigned to anyone. Remember negative one. Check. What is a number? Like, is it a number from 0 to max numbers, or is it just like any number at all? I guess so, but from the example, but it's actually like not super clear. They could really clean this up a little bit. I mean, is this just like a boolean? I don't get it. Right? I mean, you could also have like I mean, it's boolean with like a get min thing, which you could use to a sorted list or what you call it, like any ordered set type thing. But yeah, I don't. All right, I mean, I guess that's pretty straightforward. But yeah, in C++ or other languages, you can use just a regular set, right? And just to get the smallest number. You could also kind of use a queue, right? Yeah, because when you let's actually use a queue or a priority queue, sorry, or a heap. So yeah, it's a little bit less crazy, I guess. But yeah, and then max numbers, and then maybe just like used is equal to force times max numbers, right? And then here maybe we want x for x in range of max numbers, and then heapify, I think, right? So you could do something like that, right? And then get, we just get the smallest number, right? So then x is equal to self.h, or pop off the heap, and then we could return x, right? Of course, we have to now mark it as used. Check, we just return self.used of number, and then release self.used of number is equal to true or false, right? And then we just put it back into the heap, and that's it. Right, this is pretty straightforward, maybe, unless I misread and misunderstood the problem, which is possible because I don't know. Check. We want to check if it's used or if it's available. Okay, so I could have read the problem a little bit better. All right. Ooh. Oh, did I miss a edge case? Oh, we turned. Okay. Whoops. I did miss that. I was rushing it. Luckily, this is not a contest. But yeah, if length of sub.h is equal to 0, return negative 1. All right. Okay. I mean, this is okay. I feel a little bit dumb, but I mean, okay. Now I feel more dumb. But did I just misunderstand this? Maybe that's why there's so many downloads. I feel like this was pretty straightforward, but I maybe misunderstood some part of this. Recycle or release? What does recycle mean? I'm kind of confused in general. To get. Oh, why do I return this twice? Actually, maybe the. Huh. This is so hard to read, but maybe I do have a bug. What do I have a bug for? before you push. Right, okay, so let's see. We check 2. It's available, okay. Get 0, 1. Release 2. Oh, I see. So you could release a thing that is. Yeah. I mean, okay, fine. I can see why this has so many downloads, because it is just silly, right? Like, I don't know. It's just not clear. I mean, okay, the first one was actually pretty clear, to be honest. But I didn't know what recycle, release a number means. But I guess Okay. I mean, I can see why people download it, just because they kind of have some like unspecified thing. Like, it's not clear that yeah, okay. I don't know. Maybe that's my fault. Like, it's not clear that you can release a number that usually they don't. I don't know. I think this is an older problem as well. I think in the newer problems they actually are more specific about it, to be honest. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, it's not. I think the biggest sin about this problem isn't all these like weird edge cases or whatever. It's just that it's not a good problem. It's just a lazy problem. But I don't know. Either way, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. You could. I don't know. I don't have made so many silly mistakes. Just kind of rushing it, because it's a little bit of a. It's a pretty straightforward problem. You could solve it in this way. You could solve it in any min getting data structure. You don't even need min, to be honest. You could just have it in a queue, right? You could just release any number. You don't even have to get the smallest number, but I just feel like doing it. So if you do it that way with a regular queue, you even get rid of the log n factor, right? Because actually, is that true? Yeah. You get rid of the log n factors. I don't know. Is this too slow? Okay, it's not that fast either. But yeah, you could have just done like the queue, maybe something like this, right? And then right. Right, and that'll be slightly faster. But you could see that, yeah, I mean, this is going to be, I guess, O of n time, O of max number time. This is O of 1, this is O of 1, and this is O of 1. So pretty straightforward after that. If you use the heap, it'll be log n. But yeah, you don't even need min, because I guess you can just get any number, so it doesn't really even matter which one you use. Anyway, I don't know. Does that redeem it? I don't think so. But yeah, that's all I have for this one, though. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.